So good morning students. Today we are going to perform the experiment which is related to the simple pendulum. We know guys the relation of a simple pendulum is T is equal to 2 pi under root of L by G. Here T is a periodic time in second, L is the length of pendulum in mm and G is the acceleration due to gravity. So we need to verify this relation by using the experimental setup. Now look at the experimental setup. It consists of a bob. Here we have the two different bob with a different diameter and the masses. Now here we have taken the nylon thread and with the help of chuck we have fixed the nylon thread. Now if you look at the experimental setup, see here currently the length of the pendulum we can measure with the help of scale. It is 30 centimeter and up to the center it is 15. So total length of the pendulum that we are measuring from this end up to the center it is 45 centimeter. Now the experimental procedure. See guys, currently the bob is in rest and the bob is in motion. It is in oscillatory motion. So now to complete the 10 oscillations means see, and every time during each reading we need to give same displacement, right? So to complete the oscillations, how much time required, that we are going to measure with the help of stopwatch. So see, we are taking one reading. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop. So to complete the 10 oscillations, how much time required? Which is 14 point, in short it is a 15 second, right? So from that we get the periodic time experimentally, and with the help of equation we can verify that experimental periodic time with the theoretical periodic time. Also guys, we can change, we can substitute the large bob with a small bob in order to verify that, because see, with the help of this experimental setup, first we are verifying the relation. Second, when we are changing the length, because we can perform the various readings, we can take various readings on by changing the lengths. So when we are changing the length, what is the effect over the periodic time, that also we are going to verify with the help of this experimental setup. And the last is when we are changing the bob, means when we are changing the mass, is there any effect over the periodic time? Because see guys, in a simple pendulum, the periodic time, which is independent of the mass, it is only depend on the length of the pendulum. So that we are going to verify with the help of this experimental setup. So thank you so much.